Will you be the last Dalai Lama? At the present moment, the Dalai Lama's institution is useful to the Tibetan culture and the Tibetan people. Thus, if I were to die today, I think the Tibetan people would choose to have another Dalai Lama. In the future, if the Dalai Lama's institution is no longer relevant or useful, then the Dalai Lama's institution will cease to exist. 您会是最后一位达赖喇嘛吗？目前达赖喇嘛这一制度对藏族文化和藏族人民仍然有益，因此，如果我今天去世，我认为藏族人民会选择再迎请一位新的达赖喇嘛。将来，如果达赖喇嘛制度不再具有现实意义或作用，那么这个制度将会终止。